have been known for doing large deals at corporate level, large M&A, strategic mergers and acquisitions, whether it was in Coca-Cola when I really built the whole company, bottling company right from scratch, where we acquired a lot of franchise bottlers and made them into a billion-dollar company, or then made value for stakeholders, or whether it was Britannia or it was Asian Paints. And given that in even the financial services, it was like Future Capital, where we took it public, close to $1 billion. So the whole idea stemmed from the fact that a lot of people came to me and said, why don't you do something, while I was mentoring with and for the ecosystem of MSME and SME and the startup ecosystem. I actually started mentoring, and then I figured out that these guys required not only mentoring, but they also required a decent amount of mentor capital. And doing it from your own investments from a personal balance sheet was a little stretch. So one was to get the capital out there. The second more big deficiency that I saw was while mentoring, it was the operationalizing and pivoting the business model of these entrepreneurs became very important for me. And I thought that there is a huge amount of value being created when you really work along by the side of the entrepreneur. You don't take charge of the company. It's always the CEO, the founder of the company who's there. But you really lend a great deal of operational and investment support to those companies. And that by you don't set them up for failures. You actually set them up for success. So we normally believe that if we make 10 investments, 8 out of 10 should do well. It's not like a typical VC where we would like to throw money and then say out of 100, I may get 2 or 3 right, and that will deliver the returns on the fund. My objective would be I will do limited number of investments, maybe 20, 25 across the life cycle of my fund, which is $40 million. And more importantly, we would like to also do their first and second tranche, but more importantly, be with them to support them during the journey of their growth. Because I think that way we deliver more value instead of just merely putting capital into the investee companies that we invest in. So that's the essential philosophy. We look for proof of concept, revenue generation, pivoting the model, helping them to even hire the right people, helping them to, from our advisory board, give some marketing leadership thoughts or marketing pivot thoughts. We also are able to help them with a huge network in terms of customer acquisitions. So these are all operational mentoring and maybe business mentoring that we would do. Not that we are creating the business for the investee company, it's just that we ensure that the marketplaces have changed over time and how we like to contribute to the ecosystem by helping the entrepreneur in his journey towards achieving his success.